Welcome to Swap Trade Academy. In this module, I'm going to introduce you to non-fungible tokens, or NFTs for short. These are unique digital assets verified using blockchain technology that certify ownership and authenticity. So what makes NFTs unique? Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which are fungible, NFTs are unique and cannot be exchanged on a one-for-one basis. Each NFT has a distinct value. Think of it like this. You can trade one Bitcoin for another Bitcoin, but you can't trade one NFT for another and expect them to be equal. NFTs also cannot be divided into smaller units. You either own the whole thing or none of it. Plus, blockchain tracks the ownership and transaction history of each NFT, proving the item's provenance or its origin and history. This traceability adds a layer of trust and authenticity. And then there's interoperability. NFTs can be used across multiple platforms if they're built on compatible blockchain networks. This makes them versatile and adaptable to different digital environments. Now, what can you use NFTs for? Let's dive into some applications. First up, art. Artists can tokenize their work and sell digital ownership rights directly to a global audience. This is a game changer for creatives looking to monetize their digital art. Next, collectibles. Digital collectibles like trading cards and music memorabilia can be bought, sold, or traded as NFTs. This turns collecting into a digital experience with a global market. In the world of gaming, NFTs can represent in-game assets controlled by the user. Imagine owning a rare sword or a unique character skin that you can take from one game to another. And then, there's real estate and virtual worlds. Virtual lands and properties can be bought and sold as NFTs within virtual environments. This opens up new possibilities for digital real estate. So, how do you get started with purchasing and trading NFTs? First, choose a marketplace that aligns with the type of NFT you're interested in. Popular options include OpenSea and Rarible. Then set up a blockchain-based digital wallet that supports NFTs. MetaMask is a great example. Next, fund your wallet with cryptocurrency, navigate the marketplace, and make purchases through fixed prices or auctions. It's similar to online shopping, but with digital assets. But remember, safety and security are key. Ensure the legitimacy of the NFT and the seller. Be aware of high transaction fees on networks like Ethereum. It's essential to do your homework to avoid scams. Finally, let's talk about the impact and future potential of NFTs. NFTs redefine digital ownership and create new economic opportunities. As the technology develops, expect to see NFTs integrated into more mainstream applications. This is just the beginning. NFTs offer an exciting frontier in the digital economy, representing a powerful tool for digital rights management. By understanding how to purchase and use NFTs responsibly, you can engage with this innovative technology. Thank you for joining us at Swap Trade Academy. Stay tuned and get ready to unlock the potential of digital currencies. Your journey to mastering cryptocurrency starts here.